Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Thank you for clicking on my video. If it's your first time of joining me, hello, you're welcome. Thank you very much. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best Chinese fried rice. If you're ready to rock this recipe with me, do stay tuned. Let's get started. Okay, so guys, these are my ingredients I'm going to use to make my Chinese rice. In here I have my Basmati rice, I have some green peas, I have some sweet corn, I have some king prawns, I have my spring onion, and I have some chopped bacon. I have my pepper. If you don't like it spicy, you can skip that. I have some carrots nicely chopped into little tiny pieces. I have one Maggie to season. I have my light soy sauce, and I have some vegetable oil. And also you'll be needing your wok that you're going to use to make this delicious Chinese rice. So guys, what I'm going to do right now, at this moment you're going to put in your rice in your pot, add some water. So you're also going to add some table salt and leave it to cook. Guys, the best thing for you is if you have like already cooked rice, that would be the best option, but I just like to show you the process if you don't have already cooked rice, the process that I always use. So I also have 3 eggs, but I did use 2. So right now my rice is properly cooked. Guys, you don't want your rice to be very cooked. You don't want it to be overcooked. So at this moment I'm going to run cold water to stop it from further cooking. And optional, I love to add some ice to cool it down to stop it from like cooking with the heat from it. So I'm going to leave the ice on it for some minutes, like 2 or 3. So right now I'm going to sieve my rice out from the cold water and leave it to sieve. If you have already cooked rice, as I said earlier, like rice already cooked like a day before, that would be the best option for you to make your Chinese fried rice. So at this moment I'm going to preheat my wok pan and add some little vegetable oil. So you're going to whisk your egg. I'm using 2 eggs, guys. You're going to whisk your egg properly, and you're going to make sure you use your vegetable oil to like rub around the wok so it won't get burnt easily. So I'm going to make my scrambled egg. Guys, if you love this recipe, please don't forget to help me to smash on that red button if you've not done that. Subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon so you will never miss any of my videos. And if you do love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, share it on social media. Thank you very much, guys. I truly appreciate you all. And if it's your first time of coming, as I said earlier, you're so welcome. Please feel free to hit the red button so you can be part of the family and you never miss any of my videos, as I'll be posting videos every week, guys. So at this moment the egg is already cooked. So I'm going to add in the carrots. I'm just going to throw in all the ingredients. So I've added the carrots, the sweet corn, spring onion, green peas, and I'm also going to add all the ingredients I use on this recipe on the description box. Don't forget to check it out. So I'm going to add in some chopped ginger and garlic. And I'm going to add in the king prawns. So I'm going to add the parboiled chopped bacon. Sorry guys, I mean sausage. And I'm going to add in my Maggie. I'm going to add in some salt. Definitely, I'm going to add in some black pepper. So I'm going to add the rice. And I'm just going to stir and stir. I'm going to add in some soy sauce. And I'm going to stir them all together. So that's it. I'm just going to keep on stirring it and leave it to cook for like 3-5 minutes so the rice will absorb all the nice taste from the veggies and from the prawn. And at the end, you're going to see how nice and delicious this Chinese rice came out. So I'm going to test right now to see. Yeah, it was perfectly done. So that's it guys. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. So that's it, guys. If you do try this recipe, please let me know how it came out, and do enjoy this little piece of delicious Chinese fried rice from me to you. Hope you have a lovely day till I see you on my next video. Bye.